The CEO of a company was in need of a secretary. He spread ads all over town. A few days later, there was a knock on his door. It was a dog. He had a newspaper in his mouth. He opened it to the classifieds page and pointed to the ad that the CEO had placed. The CEO was impressed, but he thought it was a joke, so he decided to test the dog. Look, I need a secretary who understands the basics of computers. The dog went to one of the secretary's desks, climbed on the chair, turned on the computer and the printer in total tranquility. The CEO was amazed, but decided to go further. That's good, but I need a secretary who understands spreadsheets. The dog quickly opened Excel, scanned rows and columns of data, and then used pivot tables to create dashboards of charts. The astonished CEO desperately followed. Well, that's really fantastic, but my secretary must be bilingual.